sir, another question, sir.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir. So, sir, in English, like I appeared in IOFS 2022, sir. I scored 137, and sir, like I did not prepare for that. And in 2024, last year, sir, I actually prepared and did something, but my score reduced from 137 to 122, and I was not understanding what happened here, sir. Like I need some more advice on English, particularly.
Same question, sir. Same question.
So actually, in both of the times, one time I scored 159 in English, and another time I scored 150. So
that's brilliant. Yes, that's a brilliant score.
In English, what I feel, there is more emphasis must be paid on the essay letter aspects, because they are more in terms of overall marks which are being allocated to it. Rather, most of the candidates, what they do, they write, most of their time is allocated to the preparation of grammar. So grammar is of course important, but it comes only for the 50 marks. Rather, there is 250 marks of another things. So what I did, I prepared pro formas beforehand for all the essay writings, for all the report writing, and for the letters, to ensure that my letters are very formal in language. At the same time, the reports are very crisp, as well as they are not of very jargon oriented. Same goes with the essay as well. So essays from the essay paper are very different from the essays which are being asked in the English paper. So if you have that strategy or orientation and strategy idea, you will score very high marks. So I will discuss that when we talk about English in more detail.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you like share those performers for the letter and Pressy and report writing? Because I think these three are the ones which are.
Yes, surely. I will.
Thank you.
I will show it. I will be sharing those.
And sir, it would be very helpful if you can like conduct tests for the English also, like the full length test or something like that.
So yes, right now the program initiative for English is also in the pipeline, and it will feature tests as well as strategy and guidance sessions, along with the sharing of pro formas and certain tips for the grammar as well.
Thank you.
Yes, Pepe.
Hello.
Hello.